Hello, this is Mark Young with XLM Solutions, and I am pleased to announce a new solution we have which integrates 3DEXPERIENCE to Microsoft SharePoint. Our 3DEXPERIENCE to Microsoft SharePoint integration allows you to publish both CAD data and derived outputs and metadata from 3DEXPERIENCE to Microsoft SharePoint. You can map metadata from 3DEXPERIENCE to different SharePoint columns. You can configure what document library within SharePoint the data will be published to. You can create subfolders within Microsoft SharePoint based on collaborative spaces, bookmarks, classification structure that's set up in 3DEXPERIENCE. This will allow you to better organize the data being published to SharePoint. Other options allow you to overwrite or create versionable objects of published files. You can configure this publish to happen via a change state using the Enterprise Integration Framework licensing within 3DEXPERIENCE, or it could be done through a widget in 3DEXPERIENCE. And this solution supports both on-cloud and on-premise environments. And we really believe that such an integration provides the best of both worlds, where you can use 3DEXPERIENCE for your company's PLM and data management needs, while SharePoint can be used for enterprise access and collaboration of PLM and engineering data. So let's see the integration in practice. We start off in SOLIDWORKS, as our integration can work with any CAD system that integrates with 3DEXPERIENCE. We will demonstrate using SOLIDWORKS. I will first save a part in SOLIDWORKS to 3DEXPERIENCE. When saving this part, I will save the part to a bookmark for reference in 3DEXPERIENCE. We will select our bookmark and hit save. As you can see, the part is now saved to 3DEXPERIENCE. Let's now look at this part in 3DEXPERIENCE. So in 3DEXPERIENCE, you can see that it has been linked to a bookmark. We can look at its metadata, see its attributes, see that it also has a derived output, which is a step file in this case. And we can, for reference, show it in 3D Play. Now, in the background, you will see our integration running that is listening to various events in 3DEXPERIENCE, like saving files or promoting physical products, and will extract that information and upload it to Microsoft SharePoint. We're showing this through a command window as an example, but this would run in the background, transparent to any user that is integrating the data between the two systems. We can also see a status of the export jobs in 3DEXPERIENCE. In 3DEXPERIENCE, we can go to the Enterprise IP Integration Management widget and see the different export jobs and their status. In this case, this job we just ran has completed successfully. Now we can go into SharePoint, go to the document library we specified, and see the data that was published to SharePoint. As you can see, our file right here was just published a few minutes ago. In addition, we have published the derived output step file as well. Per configurations, we could have mapped properties from 3DEXPERIENCE to columns in SharePoint, or put the files from 3DEXPERIENCE in different subfolders within the Microsoft SharePoint library. And then through standard SharePoint functionality, users could view or download files that have been published to SharePoint. From an administration point of view, the triggering of when the SharePoint data will get published is controlled through the event publishing widget. In this widget, you can see the different types within 3DEXPERIENCE and the different events where publishing can occur. By clicking on and enabling one of those events will trigger the publish operation to SharePoint. I will be explaining more details how to administrate the 3DEXPERIENCE to SharePoint integration and the 3DEXPERIENCE Enterprise Integration Framework solution in more detail in another video. Thank you for watching this video on our 3DEXPERIENCE to Microsoft SharePoint integration. If you would like more information, please contact me, Mark Young, per the information on the screen. Thank you very much.